Okay, so I have an Asian forest scorpion. Have quite a large tank for him, and one of the issues trying to keep the humidity level right. So I made a humidifier. I looked at the ones that they had at the pet stores, and I didn't want to shell out $100 for a humidifier. This is as simple as it is. Basically, what I've done is I took some stones. I'll unplug it real quick. Basically, they're just water stones. That's all they are. Same ones you buy at any pet store for like $1 or something. Anyways, I hooked up to a pump I got from Walmart. That's $10.97, I believe. I've got 2 check valves in it just because, one there, one here. I just run both into the top of this lid. Yeah, it's taped on just to make sure it's got an extra good seal, because it's rubber. The jar is glass. We picked that up for Walmart too for $4.98. Now, I also put a tank heater. It's a fully submersible tank heater in here that's good for so many amount. Anyways, I've never seen anybody put a tank heater in these do-it-yourself humidifiers. You know, there's lots of people that have tutorials online for do-it-yourself humidifiers, but nobody puts a heater in there. Well, I heard people complain about the temperature dropping whenever the humidifier is going because, you know, it's blowing cool, moist air in. Well, with this air that's coming through this tube is at 80 degrees. That's what the water's staying at. It's 80 degrees. So, I have that working. It's next to impossible to see, but the humidity is staying right where it needs to be. Temperature is also staying as steady. 78 degrees on the cool side of the tank, and it's 82 degrees on the warm side of the tank. It's a little bit hotter over there. It's about 86 degrees over right on that rock, which is where the light is. Anyways, the humidity is perfect. It's not too much to fog it up. It's not too much to cause any mold. Not too much to make it misty. It's just enough to be perfect. So anyways, it's really easy. The top of these things are rubber. Sometimes they're plastic. But you can just drill a little hole in it, run standard tubing that you get in the same pet aisle at Walmart, right through there. This tube, got at Home Depot, it's a 1/2-inch diameter tube. It comes in 10-foot lengths for $4. There you have it. I could have made one. I didn't think about making a video whenever I was putting it together, but anyways, it's less than $20 for your own humidifier. And then worked great. My scorpion's nice and happy.